What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. Today we got the Razer BBT keycaps, the set. This is a double shot durability, and it's the black one. I wanted to replace my keycaps because these are like the old ones, and they're like they're not as durable. Of course, as the back, as you can see in the box, it says double shot durability. And if you want to see more of the box, there it is. Top, side. This is the all the keys that it comes with. If you guys want to take a look at that, 128 keycaps. So it's for the, even if you have the long, the full keyboard, it'll be enough for that. And it has two bottom rows, two different ones, because I know Razer has like a weird bottom row that's not standard. So yeah, as you can see, oh my bad, I wanted to upgrade these because these are old ones, and these also, they light up the second functional key row. These on this keyboard only lights up the numbers, not the function keys, but these actually have a light pass through. So we're gonna change those, and I'm also gonna be installing some O-rings, which is supposed to help suppress the sound when you bottom out the keys. So not the click itself, but when you hit the bottom of the keycap, that second noise. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing. And I'll also be making a comparison of the two. I'll also make a comparison of the keyboard with the keycaps and the keyboard with the O-rings, since I am going to be using it with the O-rings. So yeah, that will be later on in the video. For now, we're just gonna see what's inside the box and move this up a bit, so I can put this in the middle. And as you can see, it comes in this type of stuff. There's one of them. There's another. Here's another. These are all supposed to have more resistant, as these are kind of like slippery and slimy. You can kind of see on the video, they're kind of like a little bit shine to them. These don't really have a shine to them. These are lightable keyboard stabilizers, so if you have that, you can use that. They give you an extra set. These are mechanical keyboard stabilizers, so if you need a new ones or you want to use a whole fresh this, you have the option for that. And then that's all in the box. Put that to the side. This is just the manual. Tells you what it is. UK layout. Oh, I guess it does come with a UK layout, as you can see. And that's basically it. And this is it does come with keycap. So I'm probably gonna make a, let me set it up how I want to. I'm most likely I'm gonna leave this alone, put the half of it with a PBT so we can make a noise, like a sound test, and then I'm gonna do this other part with the BBT keycaps and the O-rings installed. So yeah, let me make it's probably gonna be a quick time lapse while I install this. So yeah. Okay, yeah, we're back now. We're finished installing half of the half. So this part, as you can see, hopefully you can tell in the video that this half right here is the old keycaps. As you can see, they're a little bit more shinier. All these are, by the way, all these are the new ones, because like there's no point of testing these since these are the same thing as this. So all these are just the new ones with the O-rings. But these right here up to here and here, including the spacebar, are all the old keycaps. These right here are all the PBT keycaps, and then all this here moving forward are all the PBT caps with the O-rings. This is why I put the O-rings there, to signify that the O-rings and above are the ones with PBT and O-rings installed. So we're gonna do a quick sound test, and yeah, we're gonna see how this sounds real quick. Just give me a moment. This is the regular caps, the old caps. And then this is the PBT caps. So as you can see, those are the difference. And now let me do a quick sound test with the space bar. Remove that. This is the PBT space bar. Now this is the space bar PBT with the O-rings installed. And okay, as you can see, that's the sound test. That's how it is, and that's the pretty much the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and yeah, now I just gotta switch out the whole keyboard with the O-rings and the new caps. Yeah, thank you for watching.